Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself first. I am Vinod Kumar Gorantla, PG teacher of English. I am rendering services in TS Model School Nellikudur in my Bar district. Friends, during the recent pandemic lockdown, I learned several web-based apps, testing tools, besides some MOOCs. And one of the most effective online assessment tools I've used is Google Forms. The features and applications of Google Forms are it is a survey administration app and it is developed by Google. Simple way to make forms through this, and it uploads images, videos, themes, etc. And through this, we attach files from our Google Drive, and we can conduct online tests, quizzes, surveys, etc. And after their submission, we can get feedback reports also, and we use for other classroom applications also these forms. And finally, after getting their responses, we can offer them the e-certificates. Now let us see how I used Google Forms. Go to Google, uh, type forms.google.com, or directly we can go to our Gmail account. So here we get the 9 grids nine dots grid. Click on Google Drive. There also we'll get Google Forms. Yeah. So we go to Google Forms, blank form, give a title to that, why you are conducting and what you are conducting. Suppose it is quiz one, and why you are conducting survey. You are doing survey. Yeah. Now settings, because we want to conduct quiz. So go to general settings, collect email addresses first. Yeah, then only limit to one response from each candidate. Then go to presentation. If you want to show the progress of the candidate, you click on anything, otherwise you don't. Yeah, confirmation message here, thank you, or you have already responded to this quiz, like that you can go. Quizzes, so you have to make this a quiz, click on it. And if you want any options to highlight, go for clicking on it, otherwise directly save. So now we are preparing as quiz. Go for the questions now. So give a question. First, we have to give name. We have to ask the name of the candidate. So this is short type of question. So answer key required. Then go to add questions one by one. So first question is, for example, I'm asking from grammar. So noun is dash word. So this is a multiple choice question. So we give options. Naming, first option is naming, and the second is action word. So action, like that you can add many options. So go to answer key now, click on it. So what is the answer? Naming. So click on it and give points to that. For example, you are giving 5 points to that, and done. Scroll down, click on done, means you have given a question. So like this, a number of questions, there are various types of questions you can see in this hover bar. And whatever the type of question you want to add, you can add, then send it. See, via mail we can send. So here I'm adding one participant's for example, we take yeah, Neeraj Gorantala, and it is a quiz. Already it is there. Message, I have invited to fill out form. So include form in me email, click on it, then send it. See, if you want to see preview, click on preview, how the form is when the recipient receives it. So this is the form, and he has to submit this form, and after their responses we'll get how it is, how he submitted. So like this we can create. Thank you all.